In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Asana. Assigning a task to the right person is what turns ideas into action, and Asana makes it quick once you know where to click. Start by opening your project and locating the task you want to hand off. Click the task to open its details pane on the right side of your screen. Whether you're in list view or board view, a single click on the task row or card will expand those details. You'll see the task title, description, and key fields gathered together. Near the top of this details pane, look for the assignee area. You'll notice a small person icon there. If nobody owns the task yet, it will display no assignee. If someone is already responsible, you'll see their profile photo or initials. Click that spot to make a change. This is the control that tells Asana who is accountable for moving the work forward. A search box will appear so you can type a name or email. Begin entering the person you have in mind, and Asana will filter through your workspace members as you type. Take a second to confirm you're choosing the correct teammate, especially if several people share a similar name. If you don't immediately see them, double check your spelling or try their company email address. Access to your workspace is required for their name to appear. Once you see the right person in the list, select them to assign the task. You can click their name in the drop-down or press enter to confirm your choice. When it's confirmed, you'll notice the assignee field updates to show their avatar or initials, and the task now clearly indicates ownership. Behind the scenes, Asana will send a notification according to that person's settings, so they know this task is on their plate. That's the entire assignment flow. Open the task, click the assignee field, search for the right person, and confirm. A few quick tips as you use this every day. Make sure the task title and description are clear before you assign, so the assignee doesn't have to guess at the goal. If there's helpful context in a document or message thread, paste the link in the task description so everything lives in one place. And remember, each task has a single owner, which keeps accountability simple. Practice this on a few tasks in your next planning session, and you'll see how smoothly work starts to move once every item has a clear assignee.